How do you solve this when you come across it as a question? This is very simple. If 45% of a class of 40 are girls, how many are girls? The question, I don't see any question in here. All you need to do is just to say solution. 45% of a class of 40 are girls. What they are indirectly asking you to look for is to find 45% of 40. They are just asking for 45% of what? 40. And we know that anything carry percentage means that thing over 100. So 45 over 100 off means what? Times 40 over 1. This is very simple. What are you running for? 0 cancels 0 here. 5 will go here 2 times. 5 will go in 49 9 times. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. What are we left with? We are left with 9 times what? 2. Everything over 1, which is equals to what? 18. So therefore, our answer is equals to what? 18 girls. Because the question says how many girls. What are you running for? Stop running.